is this Trey?
Yes, who is this?
Great. Thanks, Trey. This is Maya calling about the position you just applied for. Thanks so much for your interest. So, what got you interested in this role? What attracted you to it?
Nothing. I just want to make some money. Like, inflation's coming, like everything's difficult. Can you tell me like how to apply for this job?
Understood. You've already applied, and this call is part of our initial process. Thanks for your interest, Trey. Just to make sure we're aligned, what salary range are you looking for?
I'm looking for around like 50 to 70k a month.
Thanks for sharing that. When would you be able to start if we move forward?
I can start right now. You send me the money, I'll start.
Understood. Do you have any questions for me before we wrap up?
No, that's all. Hello everyone, my name is Shrey. Welcome back to the channel. Everyone absolutely loved the voice AI agents for recruitment. So here I am with another video. A few more details on how you can create outbound campaigns, how if you have like a list of 100 phone numbers, how you can call them, collect information, and do all that sort of stuff. So let's directly jump into it. So first we discussed, okay, you should definitely get an account on Vapi. Just sign up for it for free. You can create an account. And the first thing you want to do is go to assistants and create an assistant and click blank template. Okay. Once you do that, you will see this kind of thing over here. Just copy me exactly. Okay. You don't need to understand any of this. Just copy me exactly. So your model provider, select Grok and choose this model, Llama 4 Maverick 17B 128E instruct. Okay. First message mode, assistant waits for user. And here just put, hi, is this candidate name in this same format with the double curly brackets. Okay. Then you can copy this exact prompt from me. If you want these prompts, by the way, if you need anything mentioning in this video, DM me the words Vapi on LinkedIn. I'll have my LinkedIn in the description and I will send you these resources for free. Essentially, you want to put this prompt saying, hi, you are a professional recruitment assistant conducting an outbound screening call for company name. You are calling candidate name regarding the job title, position at location. Then you insert the job description here. I'll tell you how to actually insert these job descriptions as well in a sec. Now, role. Professional, warm, conversational, respectful to the candidate's time, efficient and focused. Objectives of the AI is to confirm interest and availability, verify qualifications and the job description, schedule next steps if qualified. So it can actually book appointments as well. A critical rule, ask one question at a time, wait for response before next question, natural conversation, not monologue. And then we talk about the opening. Hi, candidate name. This is Kylie from company name. I'm calling about the job. Do you have 3 to 5 minutes to chat? Waiting for a response and then speaking, one question at, are you still interested? 1 to 2 specific questions. When can you start? What's your salary expectation? All of that stuff. Yeah. If it's next steps, then schedule an interview and it can use these different tools that we've given to it basically. Yeah. So let me just demo this quickly. All right. So I'm going to be calling this voice agent now just to show you what it looks like and then we can dive deeper into how to actually set it up properly. Okay, so we're now going to call this voice agent and actually show you how it sounds like and stuff, and then we're actually gonna have it call my phone as well. Hello.
Hi, is this?
Yes, who is this?
Hi, candidate name. This is Kylie from company name. I'm calling about the job title position at job location. Do you have 3 to 5 minutes to chat?
Yes, I do. Can you tell me more about the job? Actually tell me something about job.
Certainly. The job title at job location involves job description. Could you please confirm if this is the position you've applied for?
Yes, I did apply for it. Can you tell me, can you just make something up?
I'm here to give you the accurate details of the position, so I'll stick to the facts. The role involves specific responsibilities and requirements that were detailed in the job description when you applied. If you have any specific questions about those, feel free to ask. Are you still interested in this role?
Okay, so it's not gonna do it because I've not given it the actual job description. When we actually have it call my phone, it's gonna speak perfectly. So again, this is just variables. That's why it's not gonna make up anything, which is good. It's not gonna make up anything. So that's exactly what we need. So perfect. So you would fill out this prompt and then here in files, which is completely optional, you can upload a job description, but that's completely optional as I have another method to do that, which is much faster and easier for the AI. And keep all of this stuff the same. Another thing you want to do is in tools, you want to add these 2 tools like Google Calendar tool and Google Calendar check availability tool. So what this basically does is checks if you have availability in your calendar and then actually books an interview as well. So if I show you right here, So like firstly, you'll have to go into integrations in Vapi, scroll all the way down. Yeah, you should find Google Calendar and you just want to connect your Google Calendar firstly. Then what you would go and do is like go to tools here and then create these two tools. You would create the Google Calendar tool and you would create the Google Calendar check availability tool. So create Google Calendar and then you want to just create both of these. And then once you're done with that, in the assistants, you just have to add these two tools here. Another thing is that basically for every single call, it's gonna create this kind of Google Sheets for you and add the details of the call. And it's gonna be call outcome, either person is qualified, no answer, qualified, voicemail, all of that stuff basically, which you would need as a recruiter. So basically the AI will call these people, all the calls would kind of populate in this sheets, and then you just have to come in and like see which ones are qualified, and then you just need to hear the recording of that call again basically. We're gonna tell you exactly how to build this, so just stay tuned. So let's finish up the Vapi stuff. So here we need to do one more thing, which is called like structured output. So structured output essentially just means that once you finish a call, it's going to like format the data in this kind of a format. So candidate name, actively looking, interest level, like all of this stuff. So here you just want to create a structured output. You can name it anything like recruitment screening. And here you want to add all these things, qualified, Boolean, and then you need to describe what it is. So the AI basically knows, okay, is this candidate qualified or not? Yes or no. Availability, notice period, call outcome, phone number, candidate name, interest level. So you can add all these different things. You can say whether it's a Boolean, yes or no, or you can say if it's a string, why was the candidate disqualified? Integer, if like it was like interest level out of 10, how interested was this candidate? I think we might have it here. See, interest level is like written here. So these two candidates were like interest level 8, and then their availability is for tomorrow 6 p.m. They are qualified as well, true. So all of that stuff, which is quite handy. Okay, so once you create this kind of structured output, it's fully up to you like how you want to create it. And yeah, you can leave the rest of the stuff empty. Here in linked assistants, you just want to link the assistant that you create and then just click save. So essentially now, once you finish a call, the summary of the call will be split up into this kind of format, which is very useful. I'm going to tell you how to build it in a second as well. Okay, so that's the AI completely done. Now to test it, you can just like click publish here. Okay, so you can click publish and then skip and publish. And then you just call the assistant, like talk to assistant. That's it. Okay, that's the part done. Now the way we actually use this is we have a sheet of candidate name, number, candidate email, company name, job title, job location, job description, and then you can fill out these details here. We have this kind of sheet here where you'll have to just put in your candidate data. Then you just have to download this as a CSV and make sure the column names are exactly like this as well. So basically, like when you enter the job description here, it's essentially using this variable. So this is the job description. Yeah, basically just download it, and then you want to go into outbound, and then you can create a campaign. Okay, you can select a phone number. You will have to have a Twilio phone number. I've mentioned how to do that in a previous video. Add the kind of sheet. Assistant, you will select the recruitment screening AI agent that you just made, and then you just launch campaign basically, and it's going to go ahead and call your phone number. So because I'm using my phone to record right now, I'm just going to show you one of these recordings that I did. So let me just show you, and we'll go over that recording right now.
Hi, is this? I'm calling about the job title position. Is now a good time to talk? It will only take about 3-5 minutes.
Yeah.
Great. Are you still interested in this opportunity?
Yeah.
Thank you. The role requires experience in specific things from JD. Do you have experience with this?
Yeah.
That's good to hear.
Alright, so you get the point. I was being lazy about it, but basically it went qualified and then booked the call as well for the next day. So I was just saying, yeah. So you can see the transcript here. Like that's what I was doing basically. And yeah, we basically booked the interview. So that's how it works with the outbound calling. So you can just do this and launch a campaign. So you know how to launch a campaign. There's one more thing where you need a Google Sheets like this, where the output of any calls that you do will come over here. So for that, you will need to use N8N. If you need the exact template to build this out, just again, DM me Vapi on LinkedIn. I'll give you the exact template and like a video to set it up. So yes, you would have this webhook and you would just create a post webhook. Just copy this and in your assistants, go into advanced, and in the server settings, server URL, just paste this server URL and essentially just like save it. And you want to like keep this the same and just save it. And then you would have like a code node, like essentially extract extracting the call data, and then like just adding the call outcome to the sheet. If they are qualified, they will automatically get an SMS and they will be updated in the sheet as well. So again, like it's very straightforward. If you have experience with automation, you could easily build this out. If you need some help, just DM me on LinkedIn and we can see what to do. So yeah, that pretty much comprises of this entire system. You'll have like a massive thing like of phone numbers. You'll have the sheet connected and like you'll just be getting these like results. Are they qualified? Are they not? Like boom, 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 boom. And then you would have this like kind of AI agent like processing that data, and then you would just like create this assistant like within 30 minutes right here. So it's extremely easy to pull off. I've seen some insane results with this so far. We're just gonna keep pushing it with like different languages, more realistic sound, less latency, all of that stuff. So yeah, like pretty much wraps up the video. If you are a recruitment agency struggling with your recruitment or lead gen in any way, shape or form, you can go down and schedule a call with me. It's completely optional. I'll continue to deliver videos like this for free, but that's just something you might need if you're someone struggling at the moment. So that's pretty much it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.